As the piston travels from bottom dead center to top dead center on the exhaust stroke, the exhaust gases are pushed out into the exhaust manifold. The manifold's purpose is to direct the exhaust gases into either the EGR or the turbo. Looking at the EGR here, we can see that the front side of the manifold has a 180-degree bend, which flows the gases into the EGR cooler underneath the manifold. From there, the cooler uses another 180-degree bend to flow the exhaust gases up above the manifold to the EGR valve. The valve is then connected to a crossover tube, which enters back into the intake manifold. The exhaust gases can also enter into the hot side of the turbo, spinning the turbine, which turns a shaft connected to the impeller on the cold side, which compresses the intake air. When the exhaust gases exit the turbo, it is then directed through a downpipe.
The exhaust gases then flow into the diesel exhaust catalyst, or DOC, which converts carbon monoxide and hydrocarbons into carbon dioxide and water. The carbon monoxide and hydrocarbons react with the oxygen that is bonded to the catalyst and produce the harmless CO2 and water. After this reaction, the airborne material known as particulate matter is cleaned by the diesel particulate filter, or DPF. The gases then flow through the DEF injection tube and enters the next canister, which is the selective catalyst reactor. The atomized DEF is absorbed into the catalyst made of ceramics and precious metals to convert the NOx in the exhaust gas into nitrogen, water, and CO2. Once the proper chemical reactions have taken place, the exhaust exits the back of the truck cleaned of its pollutants.